ब्यूटीफुल हेल्दी एंड ग्लोइंग स्किन के लिए नरिशमेंट, मॉइस्चराइजेशन, क्लीनिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड फॉर एक्स्ट्रा क्लीनिंग यू नीड टू डू एक्सफोलिएशन एंड स्क्रबिंग एज वेल. And recently I tried this amazing polishing scrub from Lilium. This polishing scrub is suitable for both face and body. It is enriched with almond, olive and carrot seed oil with active vitamins C, E and B3. It has a nice creamy texture. The scrub is very mild and it gently deep cleanses pores of impurities while keeping your skin moisturized. It also naturally lightens skin tone and is suitable for all skin types. This is also a body scrub, so don't forget to use it all over your body to get that clear and soft skin. So order yours now and pamper your skin with this amazing product.